Bitcoin massive pump and Bitcoin for beginners and cryptocurrency for beginners. So if you're a beginner or an intermediate and just want to learn, well, I think you're in the right place. I consider myself an intermediate trader, but I'm learning to be a teacher. So thank you for letting me share. I do want to, however, reference that I am a student of the IM Academy. What you see, the swipe coin is a tool by the IM Academy. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about the IM Academy. But before I did that, I just wanted to share with you what was in the title, the Bitcoin pump. Last week, look, you can see this range from here. These are price ranges. These things are called candles on the way up, but you can see they represent a price. Right now, Bitcoin's at 48,600. About not even 7 days ago, it was 43,000. So we've had a $5,000 increase in the price of Bitcoin since right in this range right here, since the 7th of February. And so it's the 12th right now, or it's the 11th right now. So that's crazy. That is a huge pump. And I want to let you know, if you were inside the Academy trading, they gave us signals like this one right here. So they actually gave us this signal and they gave us this signal. So we have plenty of opportunities of buying opportunities if we wanted to follow along in this particular, in this move that was going on. So anyway, so that was very fascinating. I thought I would share that with you. So if you don't mind, I will share with you a brief video on what is the IM Academy, because that is really the main thing. I'm not here to show off or what I know or don't know about digital assets or looking at a chart or whatever. I'm learning how to do these skills, and what I'm sharing with you is I'm just sharing with you what I'm learning. But it's all really about the Academy, and if I can get the volume to come across okay, this will be a little intro.
Welcome to IM Mastery Academy. IM Mastery Academy sells digital educational products and services focused on the teaching of skills and understanding financial markets and the e-commerce sector. The content is delivered online primarily through live interactive video and supported by a library of pre-recorded and app-based content. IM Mastery Academy was formed in 2013 by Chris Terry and Isis Terry to offer learning and education opportunity to adult students on a subscription model. IM Mastery Academy's objective is to provide its customers with accessible and interactive training to enable them to develop.
Oh, my fault. I was trying to make the video better. My fault. Try it again.
Welcome to Content. IM Mastery Academy was formed in 2013 by Chris Terry and Isis Terry to offer learning and education opportunity to adult students on a subscription model. IM Mastery Academy's objective is to provide its customers with accessible and interactive training to enable them to develop skills they could apply to their own trading. Initially, IM Mastery Academy focused on financial markets education, but has since expanded its scope into learning modules that cover other areas such as social media, personal development, and e-commerce. The primary IM Mastery Academy products are learning modules known as courses. There are 5 distinct courses that are offered to customers to purchase via the im.academy website: foreign exchange, stocks and cryptocurrency, e-commerce, social media, and personal development. The content of each course is delivered by interactive online sessions with IM Mastery Academy trainers called educators via a service which is called Go Live. Each Go Live session is offered on multiple days and at various times to accommodate students in different time zones. Students can also access a library of pre-recorded video modules for each course. which is also available on mobile devices via the IM Academy app. In addition, IM Mastery Academy offers travel life experiences. This travel benefits membership program is not an educational product, but gives members access to discounted travel and experiences, including themed educational trips. IM Mastery Academy does not engage in providing trading signals, offer investment advice, or provide trading facilities, nor does IM Mastery Academy refer business to investment brokers or recommend firms of brokers to its Academy customers. IM Academy, therefore, has no information on how students invest or trade or whether they make a profit or loss in their trading activities. IM Academy uses a multi-level marketing program involving independent business owners or IBOs to sell its online educational services. Customers who are not part of the multi-level structure pay subscriptions for educational services. Commissions are paid only on customer subscriptions. No commissions are paid for recruitment or from any fees paid by participants in the multi-level program. All IM Mastery Academy IBOs are self-employed, independent contractors and are not employees. As such, they do not receive a salary and are paid only on the customer sales they make or their sales teams make. You must be 18 years old or older to enroll. Visit im.academy to learn more. IM Mastery Academy. This is home.
All right. So I am an IBO, so I'm a representative. And so if you can either, if you're interested in the Academy, a couple different ways. You can either do it as a customer and just join and become a student and learn anything that it is that you're interested in learning, or you become an IBO like myself and get paid on the sales and getting new customers in. So it's whatever you're into. It's whatever you're into. But it can be used as an income stream, or you can just use it as educational. So it's I do it for both, right? So I just want to share with you this amazing chart over the last few days. Look at that, just beautiful. You know, they say up and to the right, and that's just up and to the right. It's just, gorgeous. I just wanted to share that with you. So now the thing is where are we going next? So I did want to take a look at a couple different things. I did want to zoom in. This is kind of zoomed out on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour, see that right there? Right there, 1 hour. This is on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm zooming in on the, right up close. I'm really looking at this little bit right here, really. This whole, just kind of zooming this in, right? So we're zooming into that little bit right there. And you can see we're actually having a breakout as we're doing this video right now. So you can see the little blue, that's the price line. And we've broken out of a zone. It's really fascinating to watch. It's currently, 5:43 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. The markets, the thing is with markets, once you understand as a beginner how the markets work, in Asia, it's morning time over there. Australia, they're waking up over there. Tokyo, the other markets, I have this. There's a few other markets. The Chinese market, Australian market, Japan market, they all open up and things move. Look at how we're moving right here. Boom, right up. So that is fascinating. So we're going to be watching that. As a lot of people think we're going to soon be approaching 50,000. So look at that. It just keeps going up. Now, I did want to. This is also an IM Academy tool. This is called Levels, right? This tool right here is called Swipe Coin, right? And it's one thing that is a tool that we use to scalp trade. Levels is a different kind of a tool. This is also Bitcoin. This is on the 1 hour time frame, right? So we're looking, this is the 1 hour time frame right here. And this is the 1 hour time frame. So you can kind of see the resemblance and how they're moving. This is 1 hour, and this, but we have a different look here. I have this green bar here is a zone I've created, and it looks like we're breaking across the zone, which is good news if you're holding Bitcoin, right? And but the thing is I feel like it could go a lot of different ways. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Don't let the all the lines distract you too much. I'm going to take these out actually. So I'm going to take the lines off, but this is on the weekly time frame right here. This is the weekly time frame. So what we're looking at is a lot of things. I mean, price can go up or down. So we're just watching it and kind of reacting to it is basically how I'm learning to trade. But we're currently at 48,600. Previous all-time highs were right around 67,000. But now the thing is could we go down? That's the thing is we could go down before we go up. So that's, see if I can do a chart here. Wasn't what I was looking for. Sorry, I'm trying to pull out a tool. I don't know. Let's get rid of that. Okay. I don't want to go there. I'll work on that later, but we are really pushing up right now. We are really pushing up. Can really see it, right? So I'll just leave this because it really helps to kind of zone in. Looking at too much can be kind of too much information. But look at this big green candle right here. This whole last week has been a big boom to the upside, but we are right at a level of resistance. So it's kind of interesting to see. Okay, now I'm going to pull it back to the hour again. We're right here, just kind of, I'm just waiting to see. And this purple line is another line of support, of resistance that I have. So it'll be interesting to see, how does it play here? Do we, break above and keep going, or do we resist it and come down? You could hit 50 and then it could go back down to 20. I mean, that's the nature of this beast, but we just want to be ready to take action, if we're in the game, right? If we're in the game. But a lot of people are saying they feel like at some point they expect Bitcoin to break over 100,000. And some people have even much higher prices than that. So, we're just kind of waiting and see. I do want to take a look at a couple other things while I'm here. So I want to look at Ethereum. Let's look at this. This is one I'm really excited about. Probably almost most excited about the potentials. I'm kind of, the price is going up so fast. I wish it would kind of slow down because it gives you, excuse me. So the more the price stays down, it gives us more time to buy into it. But you can see, we just look here, just over the last few months, we've been 1,300, 1,600. Now we're at 2,500. It could go down or it could go up. But long term, a lot of people expect this particular asset to go between 6,000 and 10,000 or more. It's not financial advice, but just something to consider. That's what some people are speculating. Does that make sense? So it's just speculation, not financial advice. So that is Ethereum. I want to pull up a couple of other specific ones. If you have any specific things you want me to look at, please throw it in the chat. And then we can look at it potentially. This is Solano. I'm very fascinated about this one. Look at, we're at 108. All-time high, previous all-time high, 258. A lot of professionals love that asset, Solano. Let's look at Link. A lot of professionals love Link. I'm loving Link too. Look at this, man. If we're not careful, we're gonna, man, it's going up so fast. I'm glad that we get to look at it, but it's really already moved. Just look at the last 2 weeks. It's gone from $14 to $20, but its previous all-time high is at $52. It's currently at $20, and we believe that it can go well above previous all-time high. Let's take a look at XRP. This is a fascinating asset. This has a lot to do with what's called a payment processing, and it's not really moving. So that's kind of interesting. They're having some legal challenges, but if they get past these legal challenges, some people speculate this one can go between $5 and $10. So this is quite fascinating. Keep an eye on this. And me personally, I'm going to dollar cost average, not financial advice. I'm just telling you my thinking. Let's look at uni. A lot of people are fascinated with uni. Previous all-time high, $44. We're at $6.69. I'm loving dollar cost averaging with this, not financial advice. Adam. I have Adam. Previous all-time high, 44. We're at $9.79. Looking at least a 4x if we get back up the previous all-time high. I'm loving what they're saying. A lot of the people are saying these are altcoins, and what will happen is at some point people will take their Bitcoin profits when they get enough profits, and then they will buy other assets with them, and that's called altcoin season. I don't feel like we're really there now, but I feel like now's the time for me that I'm going to be buying these altcoins, because when people take their profits off of Bitcoin, they usually put it into altcoins. That's what we've been seeing. But that's just my thinking, not financial advice, just my thinking. Let's see, is near. I'm not going to pull up near on here. Okay, that's it. And let's just leave it with, I just love this beautiful chart. One more thing I'll leave you with, what the Swipe Coin gave us the last 2 weeks. They gave us this call. See that black line right there? And they gave us this call. So what that means is if you were a member and you were watching this and you had this tool and you were here, so this is the thing. See this line here? The machine, the system, the people behind the system drew out this line and said, if we break and close above this line, it's a good chance we're going up. And that's exactly what happened. We broke above this line. We had this whole, all these hours here to get in. And then when it finally did leave, look, we're about a 43,000 right here. Now we're at 48,000. 48,000, all the way from 43,000. That right there, 48,000. When the initial move was right around here at 43,000. If you got in halfway, they also set another zone for us right here. And so you could have got in at 46,200, and now we'd be at 48,000. So, man, and so starting Monday or Tuesday, we'll see new zones, and it'll either be zones to the upside or zones to the downside. And the thing about with digital assets is we can make money when the price goes up, and we can make money when the price goes down. So if the price goes down, that's fine with us. We just want to get on and ride with the price. If the price goes up, we want to ride with the price up. If the price goes down, we want to ride the price down. And that's the name of the trading game. So long term, though, is more like just investing for the long term. This is not Adam. Let's pull up BTC for the long term. I'm pulling up BTC for the long term. So for the long term, we're talking, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, long term. So, and yeah, I feel like I'm learning, we want to have exit strategies along the way. So we put in the money, and then we want to be able to take that profit out. But that's a whole nother strategy. But that's the thing with the Academy. So if you have any questions on the IM Academy, feel free to message me, send me a smoke signal. I just want to share this last thing with you. We have over 100 different teachers going live every week, live. So you can go on their sessions and work with them directly. And they cover stocks, crypto, Forex, whatever it is that gets you going, right? So, all right, that's it for now. Appreciate your time, and thank you for letting me share. It's my honor to teach what I'm learning from the Academy. If you're interested in collaborating and being a part of the Academy together, if you have enough information to join, just go ahead and click the Join Now button. It's DCX is for the digital assets. If you have any questions, reach out to me, call me, send me a smoke signal. Let's collaborate. And that's it for now. And now I'll be back. Bye-bye.